بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد. Welcome to our channel Prof Nordin Bey's Academy for Computer Science and Programming Language. In this video we introduce a new concept that strongly tipped view. In especially we study inshallah text box for the proprietary text, the function text box for of HTML, of standard HTML helper. With HTML helper we can reduce the number of code line and use the code C# in a markup text markup language in HTML page. إذا هدفنا هو دراسة الدالة text box for التي تعيننا على نقل المعطيات المعطى انطلاقا كل text box أو حيز إدخال النصوص لها علاقة مع خاصية توجد في الكلاس. إذا the main objective of the text box for function in standard HTML helper is to relay or create a relationship with a property in a class, in a model, and a text box in web form. Always in the lesson series of ASP.NET MVC5 technology, let us reflect or recall on the skills we discussed early, that how to create a model, how to create a control, how to create a view. إذن على بركة الله بسم الله. First step, we create a model. We create a model named book. إذن so right click on the model. On the model folder, right click, model folder, right click, add a class. بالعربي سنخلق إن شاء الله موديل، وبالتالي زر أيمن إضافة كلاس جديد. Name this class, name this model book, for example book. Voilà. Add. Let us increase the writing size. Now we create three property. One for the ID book, the second title, and the third is available, that exists or not exists. Then public int ID with get and set. Voilà. Control C, Control V. The second property is the title, string title. إذن class book model book يحتوي على الخواص ID ثم الاسم ثم هل موجود أم لا, available or no. إذن public for create a checkbox, and ID for create a text box, and text box for and checkbox we explained in the previous video the manner to create a text box or checkbox. Boolean, voilà, Boolean is exist or no, or is exist, propriety, get and set. Yes, three property in the model. The second step is recall a technique to create a controller. Right click always. Also right click in controllers folder, add controller. MVC5 controller empty. We shows empty controller. Add name it by book. Voilà. The controller is a set of actions what we this action index. We create a view. We create a view. The third step is create a view with a relationship with this action. Then right click. So right click in the index and add view. Donc we have the same name of the action and the view and the action take the same name. So index with a template like HTML, or we create an empty without layout. Without layout, we create a view without layout. Add. Now we try to create text box for checkbox 3. To use the model in this view, we must you must type arabesque using arabesque. We can remove this, increase the writing size. Arabesque using, and go to the model book and copy the space, the namespace. Control C, Control V. We use the namespace and we especially use the model. We use the model book. Wow. Alhamdulillah. The main objective in this video is to use textbox 4, but we must recall and reflect the previous technique that use standard HTML helper to create an ID. Voilà. Arabesque. Objective is to create a textbox for HTML dot textbox 4 voilà. Textbox 4 between brackets. Voilà. So HTML textbox 4, all the X in book, instance in book, lambda expression x dot id. Voilà. This is the id book. Book. Voilà. New line. Voilà. Use the same for the title of book. So, voilà. ID book title x dot اسمه x dot title, and checkbox. We use the previews. We explained in the previous video how to create a text box. Exists HTML text box ولا checkbox. Checkbox. Always. Voilà. We can exist or no. Exist or no, and use true for caution or not caution. If we like to that checkbox caution, we use true. if we like to show this text box in code, we use false. Let us try the code and execute the following program. It is useful to program a text box for that define a relationship with two the attribute of the model and the check the text box in the form. Thank you very much and see you again.